before I start with the live demonstration, we have also a FIPA set card, and I'll show you how easy you upgrade the memory from the Slio PLC with this set card. Here are the set card, and we put it in the SD slot from the Slio PLC. And if we put it, you see also one time flashing the SD card LED. That means they have recognized, but this is not enough. We need now to make an oval reset. How we do it? You see here the hardware switch is in stop. We put it to MRS, and after that the SD LED is flashing, and after a few seconds static, and you tip again the stop LED for release, and you see the flashing are faster than before. That means we have now upgraded the memory from the Slio PLC from 64 kilobytes to 128 kilobytes. That was it. Now we configure our demonstration.